Hello students, good morning everyone. Today I will go through part 1 case based question of chapter 7. Look at question number 1. The cost of per liter petrol in New Delhi on 11th August 2021 was 101.84. The cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to cost of 1 liter petrol is equal to rupees 101.84. Clear? On the same day, the cost of 1 liter of LPG gas was 60% less than the cost of the petrol in Delhi. Which of the following would be the cost of liquefied gas? Cost of 60% less than the cost of petrol in Delhi. Clear? Then cost of 60% cost of LPG gas is equal to 60% less than means 40% is equal to 40% of 101.84. Clear? So the cost of 1 liter of petrol, after calculating we get 4500 into 101.84 is equal to 40% of this is equal to rupees. In decimal it is 40.736. So this is the solution of question number 1 of 1. Your correct option is option number A. Correct option is option number A. Is A. Here cost of 1 liter of petrol is given and cost of LPG is 60% less than the cost of petrol. 60% less than means its cost is 40% of the cost of petrol. Then 40% of 101.84 is equal to, it is near about 40.736. So correct option is A. See question number 2. It is 1 and now it is 2. See question number 2. 2 of 1. In 1 liter of liquefied gas, weight of liquefied gas is equal to 510 gram. Okay, and mass of propane in this gas is 357 gram. 357 gram. Here we have to find percentage of propane. So percentage of propane is equal to 357 by 510 into 100 gram. See, it is 51 7 is 57, 70 7 10 is 70. 70% of propane gas is there. Now see question number 3 of 1. Now see question number 3 of 1, which is Parvez wants to use liquefied gas in his car. he needs to install a liquefied gas kit in a car. The kit cost rupees 50,000. To install the kit he paid rupees 5,000. 5,000 paid कर दिया वो and has availed a loan of rupees 45,000 और 45,000 का उसमें लोन ले लिया, ठीक है। और रेट क्या है 10% पर एनम, उसको रेट क्या लगेगा हर साल 10% लगेगा, ठीक है। द रीपेमेंट पीरियड फॉर हिम इज 1 ईयर और टाइम क्या यहाँ पे है 1 ईयर। व्हाट इज द टोटल सम ऑफ मनी परवेज हैज टू पे इन 1 ईयर मीन्स हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड अमाउंट फॉर रुपीज 4500 at 10% per annum for 1 year. So see question number 3 of 1. Cost of gas kit is equal to rupees 50,000. Cost of gas kit is equal to rupees 50,000 and he paid rupees 5,000. Remaining to pay is equal to rupees 50,000 minus 5,000 is equal to rupees 45,000. अब ये 45,000 है और रेट का 10% पर एनम है, रेट इज इक्वल टू 10% पर एनम एंड टाइम इज गिवन 1 ईयर. So after 1 year the amount we have to pay will be amount is equal to P into 1 plus RT by 100, that is 45,000 into 1 plus rate 10 into 1 by 100, 45,000 into 100 plus 10, 110 by 100, 45 range of 495 and 0. You will have to pay rupees 49,500 after 1 year. Is it clear to everyone? Now see question number 2. Your question number 2 is online shopping has increased in the past 2 years. पिछले कुछ सालों में ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग जो है इंक्रीज हो चुका है, हर लोग ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर रहा है. तो देयर आर सेवरल एप्स एंड वेबसाइट, बहुत सारे ऐप्स है और वेबसाइट है अवेलेबल है जो अलाउ कर रहा है बायर्स टू परचेज गुड्स ऑनलाइन. तो ऑनलाइन गुड्स परचेज करने के लिए बहुत सारा ऐप्स है और वेबसाइट है, देख ही रहे हैं आप लोग. तो इन अ सर्वे एवरी 3 आउट ऑफ द 5 पीपल प्रीफर ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग. तो एक सर्वे में पाया गया कि हर 5 में से 3 आदमी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करना चाहता है, ठीक है. What percentage of people in the survey prefer shopping from the local market? तो अगर 3 चाह रहा है, 3 आउट ऑफ 5 चाह रहा है ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग करना, तो 2 चाह रहा है, 5 में से 2 चाह रहा है लोकल मार्केट से सामान खरीदना. तो उसका परसेंटेज क्या है, ठीक है. तो देखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का 1. Now see question number 2. In a survey, every 3 out of 5 people prefer online shopping from the local market. What percentage of people in the survey prefer shopping from the local market? Then here see 3 out of 5 prefer online shopping. It means 2 out of 5. It means 2 out of 5 prefer shopping from local market. 3 out of 5 prefer online shopping. It means 2 out of 5 prefer shopping from local market. Then percentage of person who likes shopping from local market is equal to 2 by 5 into 100, which is 40%. Clear? Now see question number 2 of 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 of 2. The market price of a hot water geyser. गीजर का मार्केट प्राइस कितना है? मार्केट प्राइस 9000 है. It is available at a discount price of ₹7,560 on an online shopping website. What is the percentage reduction in the cost of geyser? So market price of geyser is equal to 9000. Market price या market price of geyser is equal to ₹9,000. Is equal to ₹9,000, and after discount it is available at ₹7,560. After discount it is available at ₹7,560. Okay. What is percentage reduction? Reduction in cost is equal to ₹9,000 minus 7,560. It is 1440. Clear? So percentage reduction we have to find here. Percentage reduction is equal to reduction by total cost into 100. Clear? It is 16%. Reduction percentage is 16%. Clear? And now see question number 3. Misa spent ₹15,000 for groceries and home product last month. 15,000 वो खर्च की ग्रोसरी के लिए और भी प्रोडक्ट के लिए लास्ट मंथ वो 15,000 रुपये खर्च की. सी शॉप्ड ऑनलाइन एज वेल एज फ्रॉम द लोकल मार्केट. वो शॉपिंग कहाँ से की? तो ऑनलाइन भी की प्लस ऑफलाइन मतलब लोकल मार्केट से भी की. द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी सी स्पेंट ऑन ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इज 3 times द अमाउंट सी स्पेंट ऑन शॉपिंग फ्रॉम द लोकल मार्केट. ठीक है, लोकल मार्केट में जितना खर्च की उसका 3 गुना खर्च की वो फ्रॉम ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग. तो व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ द मनी डिड मिसा स्पेंड बाय शॉपिंग ऑनलाइन? नाउ सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 of 2. Amount of money spent on online shopping. Amount of money ratio of amount of money spent on online shopping and spent on shopping from local market. इसका रेशियो दिया आपका 3:1. 3:1 रेशियो दिया हुआ है. तो अमाउंट स्पेंट ऑन ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग स्पेंट ऑन ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग इज इक्वल टू 3 बाय दोनों का सम 3/4 into Total amount is 15,000. It is equal to